Rakuten Superpoints Review Usage Experience. Rakuten Superpoints is an exclusive rewards program designed for savvy shoppers who love earning benefits while spending online. With every purchase made through Rakuten's platform, you earn points that can be redeemed for future shopping, providing an effortless way to save money. This program is particularly appealing for frequent shoppers and anyone looking to maximize value from their purchases. Rakuten Superpoints are earned at varying rates depending on the store, with occasional bonus points promotions that significantly boost your rewards. The points can be accumulated over time and redeemed for discounts on Rakuten, gift cards, or specific partner stores. The standout feature is how seamlessly the program integrates into your online shopping routine. After signing up, all you need to do is shop as usual, and the points automatically accumulate in your account. No complicated tracking or manual input required. For those who use Rakuten frequently, the points add up quickly, effectively acting as a cashback system with a unique twist. Additionally, Rakuten often runs seasonal promotions or offers double points, making it ideal for big shopping events like Black Friday or holiday sales. What sets Rakuten Superpoints apart is the flexibility it offers. You're not restricted to a single store or type of reward. Whether you're shopping for fashion, electronics, or household goods, Rakuten's wide network of partnered retailers ensures there's something for everyone. Moreover, the points have a reasonable validity period, giving you ample time to decide how to use them without feeling rushed. The program is perfect for those who enjoy a straightforward, no-hassle reward system. However, it's worth noting that points cannot be converted to cash, and there may be occasional exclusions depending on the retailer or promotion. Despite this, the overall user experience remains excellent, with a simple interface and clear instructions on how to track and redeem your points. In conclusion, Rakuten Superpoints is a practical and rewarding system that enhances your shopping experience without adding any extra effort. If you're a frequent online shopper, this program is a must-try. It's efficient, flexible, and provides real value, making it a standout among rewards programs. Whether you're already using Rakuten or considering joining, the Superpoints program is an excellent incentive to make the most of your purchases.